Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we'll talk about how to care for a newborn opossum. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods to care for a baby opossum, so stick around for that. First, warm up the opossum. Did you know that newborn opossums are more likely to die from hypothermia than starvation? To prevent this, wrap the newborn opossum in a soft material like a t-shirt and hold it close to your body to share your body heat. Don't touch the opossum with your bare hands. Instead, use gloves or a t-shirt as a barrier. If several opossums are attached to a deceased mother, wrap the mother in a towel, t-shirt, or sheet, then place her in a box with a warm water bottle to keep the babies warm. Do not try to separate the babies from the mother to avoid killing them. Once you have the opossums, take them to the nearest wildlife center. If they're attached to the mother, bring them to a veterinarian or specialist for separation. Next, set up a new home for the opossum. If you brought the opossum home, follow these steps to set up a habitat. Find a plastic bin and poke holes in the lid to let in air. Alternatively, purchase a terrarium. Line the container's floor with newspapers, fabric, or paper towels. Avoid using a towel because the opossum's claws may be caught in its loops. Place a pet heating pad for warmth. Avoid using a human heating pad since it gets too hot for the opossum. Regulate the humidity by placing shallow dishes containing damp sponges in the container. Once done, transfer the newborn opossum into its new home. Hydrate and feed the opossum. Once you've settled the opossum, it's time to hydrate. To do this, attach a medical silicone tubing at the end of a 1 cc syringe filled with Pedialyte. Hold the opossum with its head elevated. Do not apply pressure to the chest and stomach. Slowly feed the Pedialyte to the opossum until it stops greedily drinking it. When this happens, stop feeding the newborn. Feed the newborn opossum Pedialyte until you find an appropriate formula. You can use powdered Espilac. Do not give the baby opossum cow or goat milk, eggs, honey, or cheese. When feeding the opossum, dilute the powder Espilac to match the baby's size. For babies under 30 grams, use a 1:5 ratio of formula to water. Once over 30 grams, slowly decrease the water until you reach a 1:2 formula to water ratio. Finally, help the opossum go to the bathroom. Unfortunately, opossums under 11 weeks cannot go to the bathroom without help. Here's what to do. Take a clean Q-tip or cotton ball and dip it in warm water. Gently rub the newborn opossum's genital area until it passes waist. Clean the area. Before caring for a newborn opossum, please take it to the local wildlife center or check local state regulations. So there you have it. These steps will help you care for a newborn opossum. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.